Repository number 1, LangChain AI/Alama Deep Researcher. This repository fully local web research and report writing assistant. Here's a brief overview. Repository, LangChain AI/Alama Deep Researcher description. Fully local web research and report writing assistant, it will provide the user a final markdown summary with all source. Repository number 2, Donna Martin/System Design Primer. This repository learn how to design large-scale systems. Prep for the system design interview. Includes Anki flashcards. Here's a brief overview. Repository, Donna Martin/System Design Primer description. Learn how to design large-scale systems. README highlights. English bullet operator review bullet operator G, German bullet operator F, German bullet operator Portuguese, do Brazil bullet operator Deutsch bullet operator Epsilon Lambda Iota Kappa bullet operator Italiano bullet operator Polski bullet operator Ruski Yezuk bullet operator Espanol bullet operator Play bullet operator Turks bullet operator Tieng Viet bullet operator Francais. Add translation, help translate this guide. Repository number 3, Marius/Awesome DevOps. This repository a curated list of awesome DevOps platforms, tools, practices, and resources. Here's a brief overview. Repository, Marius/Awesome DevOps description. A curated list of awesome DevOps platforms, tools, practices, and resources. DevOps is the combination of cultural philosophies, practices, and tools that increases an organization's ability to deliver applications and services at high velocity, evolving and improving products at a faster pace than organizations using traditional software development and infrastructure management processes.